Oh my god, you guys. Look at how hard it's come down. It's like insane. Honestly, I couldn't go through there because of the water and the exposed about that. In any case though, you guys may not believe about like how hard it's come down here. Mountain travel is not advised right now though, which is unfortunate. If you're anything under in my shoes, see how she makes videos without airlift and such. This feels like an unfortunate situation at the moment because mountain travel is not recommended at all in the meantime because of the weather, just because of that. All because of that, I tell you.